The smartphone landscape is on the brink of its most significant transformation since the device's inception. And at the epicenter of this shift is the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max. For years, we have grown accustomed to incremental upgrades, a faster processor here, a slightly better camera sensor there. But the industry is currently shifting toward a paradigm of integrated intelligence and hardware dominance. As we analyze the trajectory of Apple's engineering, the iPhone 18 Pro Max emerges not just as a successor to its predecessors, but as a total reimagining of what a handheld computer can achieve. When you hold this device, you are not just holding a phone. You are holding a window into the next decade of personal technology, a machine built to handle computational loads that were once reserved for desktop workstations. Today, we are dissecting the iPhone 18 Pro Max, a device that has been shrouded in sophisticated leaks and strategic patents. We're going to look past the marketing fluff to understand the specific silicon architecture, the photonic evolution of the camera arrays, and the proprietary display technologies that are currently being tested in Cupertino. The engineering challenges involved in creating the iPhone 18 Pro Max are immense, and the supply chain whispers suggest that Apple has moved into a final testing phase that indicates a complete departure from the design language we saw with the iPhone 16 and 17 series. The primary driver of the iPhone 18 Pro Max experience is undoubtedly the new M series integrated chipset. Historically, Apple has kept the A series and M series architectures distinct, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to bridge that gap. We are looking at a system on a chip that utilizes the latest sub-2 nm fabrication process, allowing for density and power efficiency that redefines thermal management. Imagine editing 8K ProRes footage directly on your phone while simultaneously running real-time neural processing tasks without a single frame drop. This is the promise of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. The thermal design, which reportedly uses a graphene-infused heat sink integrated directly into the titanium chassis, allows the iPhone 18 Pro Max to sustain peak performance levels for durations previously impossible in a mobile form factor. Let's talk about the display technology. For the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is moving toward a micro-LED implementation that exceeds the brightness and color accuracy of the current OLED panels. This is crucial for outdoor cinematography and professional-grade color grading. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a peak brightness that remains visible even under direct sunlight, and the variable refresh rate has been fine-tuned to be more responsive to micro-gestures. When you're scrolling or navigating the interface of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the fluidity is not just a software trick. It is a hardware-level synchronization between the display, controller, and the GPU. Now, consider the camera array on the iPhone 18 Pro Max. The optical setup in the iPhone 18 Pro Max is not about increasing megapixels, but about increasing the physical size of the sensors and the light-gathering capability of the lens elements. The iPhone 18 Pro Max incorporates a new liquid lens technology that allows for near-instantaneous autofocus and macro capabilities that rival dedicated DSLR setups. In the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the computational photography stack is being offloaded to a dedicated neural processing unit, ensuring that HDR processing is done at the pixel level before the image is even saved to the internal storage. Whether you're capturing a street scene in low light or filming a cinematic sequence, the iPhone 18 Pro Max adjusts focus, exposure, and white balance in real time. Furthermore, the battery management system in the iPhone 18 Pro Max leverages solid-state battery technology. This provides a significantly higher energy density than traditional lithium-ion batteries. What this means for you is that the iPhone 18 Pro Max can provide over 24 hours of heavy-duty usage on a single charge. The charging speed of the iPhone 18 Pro Max has also seen a massive jump, with support for advanced wireless and wired charging protocols that ensure you spend less time tethered to a wall and more time utilizing the device. Every component of the iPhone 18 Pro Max has been evaluated for power draw, creating a holistic ecosystem where the software and hardware operate in perfect harmony. Security and privacy have always been pillars of the Apple ecosystem, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max takes this to the next level. The secure enclave in the iPhone 18 Pro Max is now hardware encrypted with a unique biometric signature that is processed entirely on device. No data, whether it is facial recognition or stored passkeys, ever leaves the iPhone 18 Pro Max. This is a critical factor for users who demand professional-grade security in a portable device. In an era where digital footprints are constantly tracked, the iPhone 18 Pro Max offers a fortress of isolation for your personal and professional data. As we look at the design aesthetic of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the focus has shifted toward ergonomics and material science. The titanium frame of the iPhone 18 Pro Max is not only lighter, but significantly more resistant to stress and surface scratching. The way the glass curves into the frame on the iPhone 18 Pro Max provides a tactile experience that makes the large screen feel manageable and natural in the hand. It is a refinement of the industrial design language that began years ago, polished to a point where form truly follows function. Every curve, every port, and every button on the iPhone 18 Pro Max serves a specific purpose, contributing to the overall structural integrity of the device. The connectivity options on the iPhone 18 Pro Max have also been overhauled. With the integration of the latest 6G-ready baseband, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is built for the future of hyperconnectivity. Whether you're streaming high-fidelity media, conducting low-latency video calls, or synchronizing massive files to the cloud, the iPhone 18 Pro Max ensures that you're never hindered by network limitations. The antenna array inside the iPhone 18 Pro Max has been redesigned to minimize signal interference, maintaining a robust connection even in areas with traditionally poor reception. This ensures that the iPhone 18 Pro Max remains a reliable tool regardless of your location. Finally, we must discuss the ecosystem integration of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Apple has spent years perfecting the handoff between the iPhone, the Mac, the iPad, and the wearable suite, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max acts as the central hub of this universe. When you use the iPhone 18 Pro Max, you are tapping into a network of devices that all communicate via a unified, high-speed protocol. From the way the iPhone 18 Pro Max interacts with your Apple Watch to how it manages files in iCloud, everything is designed to be frictionless. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just a standalone purchase. It is an entry point into a sophisticated workflow that saves you time and reduces complexity in your daily tasks.